I show them your baby. Let me see your baby. Turn your back. Let me see your back. Turn your back now.
Losing time, I'm fading fast.
Yeah, your baby.
I just wanna make it last.
Yeah,
Try
baby.
to let go of the past. I close my
You know they
eyes,
carry the
embrace
people
the
back.
blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness
Oh,
to
no,
hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack.
My Pekin is carrying her Pekin.
So it's 2892. Okay. Okay. Alright, thank you.
We're fine.
It's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vast.
Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. So today is weekend. It's a weekend vlog. You're spending the weekend with us. So I got this package. I'm unboxing it with you guys. If you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Jessica Chonorek. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Nigeria, Abuja. I'm a mom of one. I'm married to a Slovak. If this is interested, kindly stay to subscribe, like, share, and comment. So I'm just unboxing this detangular brush with you all because I needed one for my natural hair, and I really love it. I saw it on Jumia and they were on sale, so I decided to get it. Yeah, then this is the next package I'll be unboxing with you guys. Also, I'll be unboxing this razor for your eyebrows or your facial hairs or the rest. So I got this also, they were on sale, so I got this is 3-in-1, and which was much just not pricey. So I'm just unboxing this with you also. This video is gonna be like unboxing, spending the weekend with us, and party. Yeah, we have a birthday party to go to, and I'll be getting ready with you all as well. So please keep on watching. So guys, later that same day I decided to remake this my wig because I washed it in the night. So this was the next day I had to remake it. The hair really had a lot of detangling and the rest. So here I'm just using my blow dryer to blow dry it. This hair is already been dried by natural light, but I also want to use the blow dryer to dry it. So I decided to use this my detangler because the back of the hair had lots of tangles. So I was like, okay, since I purchased this detangler for my natural hair, let me see if it's going to work on this my wig. And guys, you can't imagine that this really works. Yeah, so I'm just going to be reviving this hair. Please keep on watching and I hope you enjoy this video.
Oh God. Me, I see this in his hot. No crying. What? Your hair. I've done your hair already now. Leave it alone. Mama, leave it. Come on for dear. Why not? So guys, we'll continue from where I stopped yesterday. My hair. See, I've done the back. Okay, so it's time for us to do the front. Yeah, so let's continue before Madam wakes up. She's still sleeping. I slept around after 12 last night, so I just have to continue this hair because this hair I'm going to wear it for a birthday party and it needs to be on flick. Yeah, these are my tools. I have my green tea, my curly. I'm using baby oil because it's quite effective. Because when you use baby, it's the same thing as using syrup. I don't have syrup in the house, so hair syrup in the house, so I'm using baby oil because baby oil. This baby oil. Yeah. Then this is a lifesaver. Like this helps to detangle. Sorry about everything. I'm in my daughter's room. This helps to detangle this hair. Like this detangle brush is a lifesaver.
So guys, this is the end result of this hair. This hair took me 2 days to revive. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. I'm really loving this hair. Yeah.
Look at me. Apple now. It's okay to call me Odiokonamba. Odiokonamba simply means a rare gem. You don't see people like me everywhere. See?
Guys, I ordered this from this shop on Instagram and she came through, so we're gonna unbox it. So guys, I ordered this dress from an online shop in Instagram, and I really love the dress. When I saw this dress, I fell in love with the dress instantly, so I'm unboxing it with you all. And this is the shoe she will be wearing as well for the birthday party. This shoe is so cute, so princess like. Yeah.
Pretty, oh so pretty, just might be the prettiest one in the city. I feel pretty and I'm witty and I'm so bright.
Your eyes. Show me your nose. No, your nose. Your nose, good girl. Show me your mouth. Where's your mouth? Mouth is I eat food. Where is it? Where's your mouth? Ah, good girl. Show me your ear. Yeah, ear. Good girl. Show me your head. Where's your head? Ooh, yeah. Clap for yourself. Yay! you sleep as eh?
So guys, I ordered this dress as well for baby girl. This is a pink dress, a flowery pink dress. I love the dress. When I saw it, I was like so it was so adorable. Here there was no light and it was later in the evening, so please manage the lighting, okay? So I ordered the dress. The dress is really cute. I'll show you guys in a bit. This is what the dress looks like. It came with a hose because it's a bit short, but the way I styled my daughter was a different way, which you guys will see in the party. So please keep on watching. And if you've watched this extent and you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn up the notification bell so that you notify whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share.
Stay with it. You don't need to water it down. No one else has the same story.
So the other brought the light and hubby removed the legs of this drawer. If you guys remember my last video where I said I'll tell hubby to remove the legs of the drawer, yeah, this is what he's doing right now. He's removing the legs of the drawer, and I like how the drawer turned out to be. Yeah. Hello guys, so today is Sunday. We're on our way to the birthday party of my beautiful sister here at Bwwm's vlog. I know you guys know her already. This is her daughter's birthday, 1-year birthday. She invited us for the party, so we decided to grace it. Please go to her page and follow her page. Okay guys.
Mother, the celebrant.
Yes.
Say hi. Hi. Wish your daughter happy birthday.
I wish my princess a happy birthday.
So, we are here for Charlotte's birthday.
We are here for Charlotte.
Sleeping as a princess that she is, so she needs her beauty sleep. Okay, so she needs her beauty sleep.
So she's a mom of 2 and her daughter just turned 1. So please follow her page. She's all about motherhood. Same, if you love what I'm doing in my page, you also love her page. This is she and her husband just playing around, goofing around. Yeah, so if you love what I do on my page, you also love her page as well. So here the kids are already here. They are already seated down and all. She's just, you know, putting up the plates and the rest. This is like a princess party. Okay, like a princess tea party, something like that. Yeah, so the theme was pink and white, which was really cute. I really loved it. So this is, I'm just showing you guys audio settings. Then everybody's after to arrive and the rest, and this is me and baby girl just seated down chilling. Madam does not want to stay with children. Like, she does not want to stay with children. It's always mommy carry me, mommy carry me, mommy carry me. Yeah, so here we are snapping pictures. She's snapping picture with her grandma. Pictures, and please keep on watching. I hope you enjoy this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. So now it's time for them to snap like a family picture and the rest. So the family picture, fun, eating and the rest. So I'll leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video. Please go to her page, Bwwm's vlog. She's really an amazing content creator. Yeah, so let's go check her out. Okay, all right. Go. I just saw my dress.
How old is Princess Charlotte?
1.
Let's get you something to eat. Guys, you for the main event. Okay? Why that is going on? Can we just sing happy birthday of Charlotte? Birthday
To you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
happy birthday.
Are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now, Charlotte? How old are you now? The good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you.
So guys, we are done eating. Another YouTuber of mine that also came around, Simply Noni. You guys will see her at the ending of this vlog. Yeah, so this is the kids, and then they're just chilling, relaxing. We were just, you know, offering drinks and the rest and wine. There was a lot to eat, there was a lot of fun, and we'll also be doing a game which you guys will see at the ending of this video. Please keep on watching. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching to this extent. If you watched this extent, thank you so much. You are the real MPV. Thank you, and I'll see you all in our next video. So please enjoy the dancing competition, and let me know in the comment section which one do you think that dance best in this dancing competition.
Okay. So this game, whatever the baby dance, that is what we are going to dance. Okay. If they dance like this, that's what we will dance. And it's like they dance. I think it's baby. Yes. Come and dance. So whatever the baby dance, it's got that's come and dance. Okay, that is the dancing competition now. So if our baby dance anyhow, we'll dance anyhow. Yes. So are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? Who dances? That see who came around. You came for a birthday party. See, my face is looking so. Yes, thank you, ma. So, going to say her off. Say her cheeks. Say hi, bye. Kara, say hi. Hi. Me, I sleeping. So the birthday is over.